What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy chocolate banana protein smoothie. Let's get into it. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is chop up your banana. Once that's all done, toss them on into the blender. Alright, next you're going to want to add a scoop of your favorite chocolate protein. Right now this one's my favorite. It's the extreme milk chocolate, super delicious. So you're just going to want to toss that bad boy right into your blender. Perfect. Oh, forgot to mention, if you want to add some chia seeds, perfect thing to add to a protein smoothie today. Just not feeling it, but you can always add that in. Next, you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of your favorite yogurt. Right now I'm just using vanilla yogurt for this smoothie. Alright, and the next ingredient would be ice, but unfortunately I don't have anything, so you can compromise and use frozen fruit. So I'll be using frozen strawberries. I would suggest 5 to 8 ice cubes. So right now I'm just gonna use about 4 frozen strawberries. Maybe 5. And the 5th and final ingredient you'll need is almond milk. Shake that bad boy up. And then I have no measurement for this. You're just gonna wanna pour it to your own desire if you want it more thick or more thin. So I prefer it a little more thin. So I would say I'm about to use a cup right there and see how it goes. You can always add more, you can't add less. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention, this is my all-time favorite blender. It's the Ninja blender, super great, super nice. It's just fantastic. So, but the next thing you're gonna have to do is just blend this thing up. And there you have it, guys, a super delicious chocolate banana smoothie.